Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is New Year's Eve, so I figured this is the perfect time to like start the vlog, bring you guys along for like a little weekend in the life. Matt and I are having a super chill, low-key New Year's Eve this year, which is exactly what I need. Every now and then I like to go out dancing on New Year's Eve. I'm a big let's go dancing and drink water all night kind of girl, but I'm not feeling that for tonight. I'm looking forward to having like a chill night on the couch, and Matt is making us a lovely fancy dinner tonight, which I'm very, very excited about. And I am going to be heading downstairs to meet some of my neighbor girls. We're gonna take pictures of each other because we all got dressed up for New Year's Eve. I am actually gonna end up changing, so I'll show you guys both outfits that I'm wearing today because I'm wearing this outfit just for like the pictures with my friends, and then I'm gonna change into a dress for my dinner with Matt. But I figured I would show you guys the fit. I'm wearing, just because I'm cold, I'm wearing my new cowpoke hoodie because it's like cozy as heck. But for my pictures, I'm wearing this little corset top from Zara, and I'm wearing my new jeans, which if you guys watched my last vlog, you saw me try these on and unbox these. These are my new Abercrombie jeans. They're leather on the back, denim in the front. So this is my little outfit. I'm gonna put on some heels as well. Oh, I'm like, this lighting is pretty good. So I'm gonna put on some heels as well to like complete the look. And I'm gonna show you guys the dinner that Matt cooks for us. I really wanna document it because I've never had someone cook a New Year's Eve dinner for me, now that I think about it. So I'm very excited because we're both gonna get really dressy. So I have this really pretty red dress that I'm gonna wear after I do the pictures with my neighbors. So I'm gonna go do those pictures and then we'll be back and change into the dress. So I just got back from taking photos with my friends. Sorry, it got dark for a second. And now I'm gonna get changed. Matt is all dressed up and he is still doing some cooking, and now I'm gonna get changed into this dress for dinner. I'm honestly probably still gonna like keep this sweatshirt on because I'm so cold. Even just like with this little top, like taking pictures with my friends, I was like so cold in this top. So let me get changed and I will show you guys the dress. I'm wearing the dress. Wow. Looks very fancy. You also look very fancy.
Nice to you.
I made mocktails for Matt and I. I'm gonna try it to see if it's good. Oh, it's so good. Oh my God, you guys. Wow. Wow. I could drink 700 of these. Okay, here's what you guys need. You need a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon.
I put a little raw shallot in the salad.
Ooh, sure. Sounds great. You need the Optimist. Optimist Botanicals. I got the Bright, which is, it's like lemon, jasmine, green mandarin, lavender, turmeric, cornmeal, orange, tangerine, fennel, myrrh, cinnamon leaf. And so you need a little bit of the Optimist, and you need this Frizzanti European soda Matt got from Wegmans. Oh my God, just those three things. Incredible little mocktail to make at home. Oh, this dinner is gonna be so good. Matt's working on a fancy salad for us. And yeah, so excited. That dinner was so good. Matt deserves Chef of the Year award.
No.
Yes. Absolutely. He made...
It was like a, yeah, it was not the best.
No, why are you saying it wasn't the best? What about it wasn't the best? What are you being critical about?
It wasn't, not everything was properly hot at the same time.
Which is very hard to do.
And, you know, we made do without the beets, but that was supposed to be, you know, part of the meal, of course. But it was very good. It was very good. I'm super self-critical.
He's being very hard on himself. He made a really, really good meal. And the beets didn't turn out the way he wanted, but he gets an A for effort. He tried beets 2 ways. These, I guess these were the air fried ones,
Yeah.
right? Air fried and also oven roasted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what.
They're tough.
Yeah, they're very
extremely
tough.
They did not.
It's like, if you get the middle of it, it's really good.
And
You know?
sweet. Yeah, it's very.
And how it should be. I just don't know why the outside is tough. It's like there's some it like formed an extra skin or something. I don't know. But Matt made fillets that were like melt in your mouth, so freaking good, like unbelievable. He also made risotto, which as you guys can see, there's a bunch left over. He made it in the rice cooker. He found a recipe for doing risotto in the rice cooker. The risotto was like so perfectly paired with, it was like a mushroom and multi-cheese risotto and also asparagus. And then that is what's left over. Let me show you guys better. Of a little salad he put together with, that goat cheese is so good. There's so much goat cheese left at the bottom of this end.
Is there?
Wow. It's really good. So yeah, I mean, he's being super critical, but as the person who didn't slave away in the kitchen all day making this, I feel better equipped to rate it, and I give it a 10 out of 10. It's so good. Comment below, what did you guys do for New Year's? How did you celebrate? I took some pictures. Actually, I'll put a few of the pictures up right here that I took with my friends. We had so much fun taking them. We took some really cute group ones. Now we're just gonna have a chill night hanging with Gouda. Someone's car alarm's going off and Gouda doesn't like it. Right, Goody?
Car's being stolen.
Hopefully not. Look out the window though and see what's going on. Let's see. Well, it's not your car, I can tell you that. I don't know where my car is though.
Ah, classic.
Actually though, where did I park my car?
You don't remember?
No.
Second row on the right.
No. What?
Second row on this right side.
Where? There?
It's in there somewhere. I can't really see.
That one straight ahead, I think. I think. Yeah. I don't know.
No, it's the one you pointed to.
Yeah? Okay. Well, oh, and you guys, I like cannot recommend enough making mocktails instead of cocktails. If you have a sensitive stomach, like I was telling Matt earlier, I'm in the mood to like have a little drink tonight, but I really don't want to sleep like shit and I don't want to feel crappy either later or the next day. It really feels like the best of all worlds because you get that like fun little excitement from having a fun little fancy drink, but none of the downsides of drinking poison. So it's the best. And yeah, Happy New Year's to you guys. I hope you guys have such a good start to 2023. I really, really am so excited about this year. Whether you set goals, whether you don't set goals, whether you did something fun and crazy for the new year or whether you just kind of stayed in and were super cozy and casual. I hope that you guys are starting the year out in a really good way, whatever way suits you. Want to come snuggle while I do my budget? Ball Gouda. Are you happy? Having such a productive morning. We're starting the year off on a good note. I did a number of things this morning. I was writing in my journal and kind of getting myself all ready for the week, getting back into work, getting back into the flow of things. So I made my list of things that I need to get done for work this week. I also did some journaling and just reflecting, setting some goals, thinking about things that I'm excited for this year. And I also got in a really good workout, just made myself a little protein shake, and now I want to vacuum the floors. I want to get all the floors clean because that's the last thing on my list of things that I have to do today to really feel like I'm starting the year off in the best way. Gouda's been having a chill morning. Are you having a good start to the new year? Can you say hi to the vlog? Look at this cutie little boy. He's been so sleepy and snuggly today. Oh, just such a good boy. And Matt's in the background. What are you making, an omelet?
Just some eggs, scrambled eggs with spinach.
Matt's making some eggs. We both got in a good workout. Woo! Gouda decided he's done being held. And yeah, I'm gonna go get to cleaning the floors. I did the cleaning that I wanted to do and just spent some time making a little reel for my Instagram and doing some journaling and just kind of sitting and relaxing. To be totally transparent with you guys, I'm not in the greatest mood today. I don't know if it's partially the weather. It's super gray and gloomy outside, very, very foggy, just kind of one of those days that makes you want to curl up on the couch and not do much. Tomorrow's my last day of the holiday break and it just didn't feel long enough, so I'm kind of feeling like the Sunday scaries, and given that it's Sunday, I know that I still have another day, but I'm just kind of feeling those Sunday scaries. And so I figured I would pick up the vlog because I think that it's so easy for us to be really hard on ourselves when we're not feeling well. And at least for me, I know that I have a tendency to be really self-critical and tell myself I should be feeling better, or I should be in a better mood because it's the first day of the year. I should be feeling better because I did so many great things today to really set myself up for a good week in terms of cleaning and journaling and getting in a workout, getting in a protein shake. Like, I've done a lot of good things for myself, and it's easy for me to then tell myself, oh, because you did those things, you should be feeling great. And then if I'm not feeling great, I can kind of feel hard on myself. And so I just want to remind you, because I'm also reminding myself, that it's okay to not feel okay. It's okay to feel exhausted. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to not feel your best. And one of the things that I'm really going to be focusing on this year is giving myself permission to just be where I'm at. In my type A tendency, can really be someone that pushes myself to create content even if I don't feel like it, or to do things even when it doesn't feel aligned. And I'm really going to be working on this year just allowing myself to do what feels right, whether that is taking a day off, whether that is resting when I need it, whether that is just like sitting on the couch and crying if that's what I'm in the mood to do, and not beating myself up for doing those things. So yeah, I figured I'd end this vlog out on a vulnerable note, just sharing with you guys where I'm at today. And I hope that you guys are letting yourself feel whatever it is you're feeling. Whether you're feeling really happy, positive, whether you're feeling down or a little bit moody, wherever you're at right now is good enough. And you don't have to force yourself to be or do anything that doesn't feel aligned. So yeah, I'm gonna end off the vlog here. If you guys like this one, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.